In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in your campaign builder in Chrome. To get started, open your campaign builder using the Chrome browser. Using Chrome helps ensure the editor loads properly and that all toolbar options are visible and working as expected. Once your campaign is open, go to the section of your content where you want people to access the PDF. This could be a line of text, a call to action, or a button depending on how you want the link to appear in your message. Next, highlight the exact text you want to turn into the PDF link or click directly on the button you want to edit. This step is important because the editor needs to know which element should receive the link. If you're using text, choose wording that clearly tells the reader what they're opening, such as a brochure, guide, or document. If you're using a button, make sure it's already placed where you want it before continuing. Once that text or button is selected, look for the link icon in the editor toolbar and click it. This will open the link settings for the selected element. The link tool is what allows you to connect your text or button to different types of destinations, so this is where you'll choose the file option instead of a standard web address. In the link settings window, find the link to drop-down menu and select File. Choosing File tells the builder that you want this link to open a document rather than a web page or another type of destination. After selecting that option, you'll be prompted to choose the file you want to use. Now upload your PDF to the Content Studio. If the PDF has already been added there previously, you can simply locate it instead of uploading it again. Once you've selected the correct file, click Insert to attach it to your highlighted text or chosen button. This confirms the file link and places it into your campaign content. Finally, save your changes so the new PDF link is not lost. Saving is the last essential step, and it ensures your campaign keeps the update exactly as you intended. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to quickly review the link text or button to make sure it looks right inside the layout. That's how to add a PDF link in your campaign builder in Chrome.